Hello, people of the interwebs, and welcome back to Splatoon. In the last episode, we did solo. In this episode, I'm joined by a person.
Hi, I am said person named Air Conditioner, otherwise known as AC.
Great intro. Alright. Yeah, I probably should have told you that I was doing an intro, but you knew it already, so...
I mean, I do the theaters. We're good.
Alright, yeah. You know your improv.
Mm-hmm.
What's this? Target control? Oh, it's spot zones. Oh.
Yeah. I was thinking it was going to be Rainmaker, and then I got sad.
I've been seeing, like, tar control and Salisbury and, Kraken.
I don't think people like it. I don't think they do that in the station as much. Like, people don't like, Black Belly Rainmaker.
I love Black Belly Rainmaker. Oh yeah, I haven't seen that about it either. Yeah, I missed that shot. Missing shots. Alright,
I
okay.
killed the... there's a Tentatek back there, but I killed the Tentatek.
Bruh.
Tentatek's just hiding.
Yeah, he's
Silly Tentatek. Oh, he actually killed someone. Not so silly Tentatek.
Yeah, look at me though, you freak.
I'm just gonna pick Moon.
Maybe you are. I don't know. This is very both-sided right now. I don't know what's happening.
Squeleher.
Hey, I get dumped on. There you go. I got the Tentatek that was murdering me.
Oh, thanks. I'm always afraid that the Sprinkler is actually just me, bro.
Yeah, that is his fear.
Kraken.
Oh, there's a Kraken! I didn't even see it.
I had no idea why you didn't kill me when I was shooting up a whale. I was so vulnerable.
I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. The Splatted got me. So I don't have punch.
I got taken out by bruh.
He's just Reddit crits. I'm gonna jump to
Oh,
this.
we're already at 25.
Oh, wow.
There's somebody in the back. Can you pick up my beacon? He's approaching now.
Yeah, it's a splat. Like. Oh, okay. Wait.
I'm just gonna hide right here.
Someone jumped. Oh, he's red. I got the spotlight. And the Kraken came up behind me. Oh, we're good. Wow. That worked somehow.
I think I'm gonna, even though I won't need any hat, I won't have any need for strength up, I think I'm gonna train my hat, because I finally got the legendary gear hat.
Oh yeah, you're level 50. Wow, I did really bad.
Yeah.
That was a quickie.
Stay in the zone.
Quickies.
Rocking that S75.
I'm at S plus 27.
Boys.
Oh yeah, in the last episode I cut out a bit where I literally raged for so long because I got super salty. So,
I saw that.
yeah.
I was just kind of like, okay.
No, there's like 3 more games where I was just the embodiment of salt. So I cut that out because...
Get it together, Purple. Get it together. For the children. For the fam.
Right.
Wait, how come you're purple cubed? I thought you're gonna be purple squared.
No, my alt is purple squared.
Ah. Consistency.
Yeah, I know. It makes so much sense.
Are you ever gonna make just a regular purple? So you can be purple?
No, if I ever do that, it'll be a purple one.
Okay, so we have orange and my.
What?
Great names. There's this person who's like M caret sign Y, so it's M to the Y, which isn't a math term. So I don't know what they're on. We have the A+ on our team.
Oh, rip.
I say this as an S when all you guys are S+. You never know.
Got one.
Wow, stop, calm down.
Wow. I got 2.
I'll take that.
Oh, I love not being sick. It's the greatest.
Weren't you sick like 4 hours ago?
Yep.
Purple, that's not how sickness works.
I was sick like 5 days before that, though.
The other rollers putting up beacons, so I don't have to do it. Thank you, other rollers. Sorry.
No or up? Oh, that was beautiful, Snipe. I didn't even know.
There's somebody coming up the elevator, never mind.
Yep. Well, that wasn't me.
Right now. I'm literally waiting for people to share. Oh, hello, Carbon. I got 2 plays, other Carbon. There's 2 people in there. Oh,
Is that a secret rush? What are you doing? Alright.
And now... The rollers literally just...
Yo, that was an amazing snipe I just got then. That was the beautifulest thing I've done today.
I'm the only one that's alive in zone. I'm just standing right here.
Oh, yo, other roller beacons? This is great.
I got taken out by Secret.
I got him.
I don't think I got any.
Oh, sniper got me. Oh, he's not dead.
also probably because I don't have it in my hat. Oh wow, that makes a sound. I
That's
got
fine.
carbon.
Oh, why am I sniping from over here? I'm not an eater. Frick. Yeah.
Occasionally I got killed. Because the roster has whatever.
Yeah, I had a bubble. I pushed him off! Oh my god, I didn't push him off! Never mind.
I didn't get carbon.
I don't care. I died. That was beautiful though. I don't care.
Okay, I'm gonna get a Kraken. We can push back in. I'm good for the right now.
I got the sniper.
Oh, 2 are down. Now might be time to push. I have Kraken. I got 1. Can I get 2? Nope.
I got
not get
3 or 2 or 1. I don't know. All of those.
I see somebody approaching.
I'm gonna just take those.
Carbon. No sniper. I'll go get sniper. I got 1. I got 2.
And now you're dead.
Yeah.
Oh, someone's
Oh
self jumping.
wow. Carbon on the back has more quick respawn when they know how to do it. Like, after a point, it's not needed.
When did I get good? It's because I've been doing bad for like the last 2 days. Alright.
Like, did you do fine during match?
No, I did horrible.
You're just mad because Splatted are better than you.
That is also true. Oh yeah, we had our second round of leagues today.
Leagues under the eight.
Leagues under that. There you
Which
go.
apparently I'm helping run. I need to help run that better because I have to.
I traded with the sniper. Oh yeah, AC is an end game, so that's cool.
AC also took about a week and a half off, which I didn't realize AC.
Oh.
So AC is currently trying to get this.
Well, yeah.
Okay, I
Somewhere.
have a Kraken. Let me put Kraken in the room.
You should probably not get trapped up in crits. That's about it.
I got it.
You might want to turn around.
You should be dead. Oh, I have a
Oh, you can't bubble in my throat, like AC. You bubbled in my throat. I know. It's not fair. Oh, nice. That was beautiful. I saw that in my room. Oh, nice. Beast.
Okay, I'm gonna camp this one. Oh, I got carbon.
Sniper's behind you, though.
Oh, that looks nice.
I got 1.
Thank you.
I got sniper. I got 2. Someone's up in snipe.
I see the carbon. The carbon.
I got him. You're good. I got 3. Wednesdays!
Okay.
Oh, I did really good that game.
I don't even know what happened. Okay, so if we win all of our sets for Leagues Under the Ink, what happens?
I don't know.
I should know this.
Yeah, you should know this, AC.
I need to. Endgame's a great organization, but because I had port exchanges over, I've been so swamped.
Oh, I did so good! 115 to 5.
Ooh, my hat's leveling up.
Ooh.
Okay, how do people get all strength on their hat?
Extremely lucky / skiv coming. Skiv coming. I can work.
Yeah, like, Cuddle Gear doesn't have any set preference.
Yeah, I know, but that's a good thing, because then you won't get what ended up with like a million swim speed triples,
oh, no,
like I do.
not swim speed. Such
Oh.
a bad ability.
Hey,
Swim
shush,
speed's
I
the
want the
best
triple
ability in
damage.
the
You want to
game.
get double damage right now.
Oh no, I need to get triple damage on my defense. I mean triple swim speed on my defense shoes.
I have triple defense on my defense shirt.
I really like my current roller setup, minus the one swim speed sub. I mean ink saver sub.
Yeah, I like my sniper setup too.
I'm currently in between games throwing away the Valentine's Day stuff, the extra stuff that I got for school.
I'm not in
Guess
school
what
tomorrow.
Valentine's- Oh yeah. Wait,
Yeah.
Why are you off school?
I have no idea. It's a holiday or something?
And it's American President's Day. You're not in America.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. It's a weird Canadian weirdo thing. I don't know.
I love that you guys have. If you guys celebrate American President's Day, I would just die of laughter. It's so funny.
Dynamo got me.
They're being really aggressive right now.
Yeah.
Like,
Dynamo pushed
overly
behind our
aggressive.
crib.
What are they doing?
I don't know.
I'm gonna die. Never mind, I got one. I'm not dead.
I did horrible that life. Oh my
I'm
god.
dead.
Look at you.
My Splattershot. But like, there's 3 on me. It's gonna be one of them. I'll get a Kraken up so we can push back in.
I like how I still didn't equip my haunt shirt and I said I was gonna do that.
Just believe purple. Okay, I have a Kraken.
Oh, that was a beautiful snipe. Oh, viewers, that was amazing.
I got 1. I got anti-Kraken. We were just Kraken.
Yeah, I know, he got me. Because I derped. He's dead now. Screw that guy.
He anti-Kraken my Kraken and someone else anti-Kraken too. The game is literally just all Kraken.
Yeah.
Oh, there's somebody on that side and I mean,
Someone on the crit.
never mind, they're dead.
No, we took that.
Bynamo. Stupid Bynamo things. Ah, whale.
Reaction.
Killer whales, like, I still do not understand how killer whales are good. Like, they're so good, I don't even know how.
Yo, killer whales are the best. What are you talking about?
No. I'm saying that they are good, but, like, there's so many people and why they're good, but I don't know.
Because they're like pressure demons.
Sure, I'll look at that.
That was a beautiful one. You said that earlier, too.
I can never. You just jumped over my Kraken, you bud. There we go. Keep that down.
Oh, the Splatling does not know what to do with 2 snipers on our team. Oh my god, this is beautiful.
Oh wait, we have 2 snipers?
Yeah, we have a 3K. I got 2.
Okay, we won.
Yeah.
Yes.
I did good again. Wow. This is what I get for doing bad
you're
for 2
good or
days.
something.
Wait, AC, I know AC. When did I get good? It's because the pressure's on. The recording is on. It's pressure.
Dun dun dun. Getting upset with the fans. So as you see, I mean, I have a lot of fans in my business, but mostly because I'm an air conditioner.
Hey! Hate you so much, but that was beautiful.
I try. I'm still doing Valentine's Day stuff and I'm putting them away, and for the people in my school who I knew would love it, I got them Despicable Me Minions Valentines.
Oh, ew. Those
look
things
on
killed
some of the people's
Facebook.
faces was beautiful.
Hey, I have enough money to scum again. I can scum for 6 hours again. I wasted my last 30k, or 300k on just re-rolling instead of scumming because I was lazy.
I currently almost have 3 million because I do not scum.
Wow, I see. I don't know. My
I'm a
gear's pretty good right
Puritan.
now. I'm just sorting out my splash gear, even though I never use splash.
If I were to scum, I would only really want to scum my shoes and maybe to try and get that full defense shirt.
Yeah, the shirt that I have,
Yeah.
that I didn't scum for.
I really love the shirt. Like, I always use the same exact shirt for all my sets because it's a main swim speed and then it has 2 quick respawns and then it has 1 special saver. That's like exactly what I want.
Yeah, my setup right now is literally all damage and ink recovery. And cold-blooded, but yes.
Hey, I found my good earphones. I no longer have to use the ratchet one.
Hey.
See, this is why I should clean more often.
It's orange and why?
Yeah, Maya.
Yeah, that word. Oh, I'm dead.
Splatterseope. Oh, we.
Oh, why aerospray? Why? Just why? No. AC, we have to carry now.
I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty effective.
Alright, I derped then, because this thing didn't kill the 96, so I just...
Did you just jump off the edge?
No.
Hey, the jet's doing really weird jet thing.
MY is doing really good.
Oh, hello, Jet. I got you.
Yeah, that is a really weird jet thing he's doing right now.
I'm dead.
It was
Hey,
super...
someone got taken our zone.
Yeah, that was our team. Oh, frick, okay, Sniper is God.
Hello, Bertrand.
Or an orange Jesus, probably an orange Jesus.
I'm just gonna paint zones and if you guys usually have some trouble.
Yeah, you think? It's first good opponents
I
right
got
here.
Tentatek. I'm gonna get this right by sniper.
I got the Sniper.
Live.
Someone in their perch.
Happy live. Oh hey, they didn't get the lead. I got Kraken.
Yo, I can't
Person's gonna
stop.
anti-Kraken. Yes, I knew that person was gonna
Stop.
anti-Kraken.
Ah, frick, Kraken. Yeah, get out of my life. No, my bomb babies. He's smart. They see kill him.
Your bomb babies?
I didn't know what they called him.
They're not children.
Well, I was throwing them at people.
I got someone, but I'm gonna die now. Nope. We live though. Oh, we should get them back. Yep. Thanks.
Oh, Jet, Sculpture, please. Jet, okay. I was,
I got whoever was approaching somehow. Oh,
I don't know, but nice.
Nice. I don't know why they think you're sitting right there, but nice. There's a Kraken.
Alright, I just juked a Kraken without trying.
There's a Kraken. He's killed 2 of us. Oh, he's still in back.
I know. I traded with him.
Yeah,
You're good.
okay. I'm gonna set a beacon.
I literally just put my face in his throat and hoped it worked. It did.
That's the weirdest explanation I've ever heard.
Or not my face, my scope.
I'm in that.
I'll go away with your defense, you frick. Get that out of here.
I'm gonna get a Kraken now.
That's cheating.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna try to get a Kraken because they're freaking super.
I got their sniper. Jet Squelcher's a perch.
Okay, where's everybody?
I don't know, but I'm bomb rushing them.
1. I got 1.
Jet Squelcher is being an ass to me.
I got destroyed. The 96 got echo has somebody come to me next to him.
Oh, frick. Sniper got me because he outranged me. Alright, team, if you couldn't use an air spray, that would be nice.
Yeah, like, this team could be good. Would they? Quite nice. Kraken.
Oh, that's not fair. Stop. No. He camped me. I said Kraken.
What is going on? I traded, but I got killed.
Yeah, this is aerosprays. Why?
Brings aerosprays to a, you know, a real gunfight. There's a beacon back there. It's not gonna help much. Why are you just sitting up there? There's right there.
I got stuck in the ink. 96 got me.
I got this.
Alright, what is this team? If you're an airspray, go paint the zone. Like.
Hey, like everyone said, we should get them back. Yeah.
Nice. Alright.
That was the worst practice I've done all day.
I got sniper.
I'm just kind of trying to hold everyone back.
Just try to keep zone.
Whoa, nice. Even this a perfectly good seeker. Aerospray. No, aerospace back. Back aerospace. Why are you all the way back?
Jet Squelcher, plus. No.
If we bring this back, I'm not so hard. Hello, 96. Thank you for deading.
Stop. No. You're not allowed to do that. Oh, you're not allowed to do that either. Frick.
We really should put something in right now.
I got Jet.
Nice. I saw that. Nice.
Hey!
So,
I noticed it. I got that guy.
There's an equal look up.
I got him.
5, 4.
Hey!
How
What?
do we do this? Oh my god.
We live in.
Before Aerospace is gonna be top 15.
Yeah, in before.
23 kills. Actually, he's probably gonna be higher than I am.
Hey. Oh my god.
The little aerospray that could. Please be good, Garrett. That's not terrible.
I'm sorry, what? How does the aerosspray do the best?
Ow! Ow!
Also, I'm at a vibe of 13 right now, so.
What? I'm at a so hot of 6.5.
Oh, yeah. I was playing turf earlier, though. I'm double you. I'm double your hotness.
Purple, not on Valentine's Day. Don't talk like that.
Oh, yeah, it's Valentine's Day. Yeah, also, there wasn't videos yesterday or the day before, is because I was sick. As you probably could have. Hey, it's Bucky!
Oh, Dynamite.
Yeah.
I haven't, I think after this I'm actually gonna go over to one of my friends' house and we're gonna go to Dairy Queen and get singles blizzards for half off because
Yo!
I'm currently single. Oh, hey, we got Bucky there.
They have a person called SK. Why am I covering base? I thought it was turf war. I'm such a scrub.
Purple.
Don't judge me, alright? Alright.
Wait, is he using ink bus? You know Bucky's actually in his freshman?
Probably not. Oh, Sniper got me because I freaking brain nerf. Alright. Sniper's down on their
Whoa!
before zone.
Nice.
Wait, they have 2 snipers?
I guess. Did you get killed by the illegal PK scope?
I think so.
If we lose this, Bucky, I'm blaming your ink brush too.
Oh, I have no idea what. I'll just call this squad.
They have 2 snipers.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they have to. Yeah, that's the only reason to watch so we can watch build
There's currently
foundation.
bomb up there.
Oh, wow, I freaking brain burp. Oh my god. Get this up.
Ah, I hit you. The sound of hitting you occurred, and you still jumped away.
Occurred.
Occurred.
You're such a mathematician. The leader fell off.
Yeah, I'm in calculus sometimes. Like, the 96 gallons and the 96 gallons. Oh, that's Ken.
Yeah, I know.
Lucky's kind of just flanking, and I don't know what's going on right now. Oh, that was a terrible place to be.
I got their E-leader. Ah, and their other E-leader is on me. And Bucky, you should probably help us take them.
I got killed by the bomb man. Okay, we actually have time for us.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I think it's all Lucky. Let's be real.
Holy frig, this E-leader is, like, double E-leader is pressure to frig. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm kind of sitting here crying.
And I can deal with
Hey,
it.
finally got an E-leader. Huh, like 3 solid. Okay, we should get some.
There's a Kraken probably there.
Shut. Leave Kraken and nice.
Yeah,
Bucky.
sniper got me.
Anti-bubble. Go Bucky.
Bucky plays.
That was awesome. Oh, no.
Nice day.
Never mind. Fucking tried.
Why do we have a penalty when we're losing? Flat zones. What? What? E-leader plays, you're too good. Stop.
I'm literally just gonna hide in zone right now and kill the 96. Right. Trigger. I killed 2, and I'll go for a third now. Hello, E-leader. E-cheater 3K.
Ha, my kill. Oh no, I heard the noise. Bucky.
Okay, there we go. The E-leader's dead.
96 is on me.
Do they have any boosters?
He's dead. Hang on, I'll take a quick look at the gamepad. Wait, give you that.
Hello, Sniper.
Wait, are we getting flanked? I think we're getting flanked. We're not getting Yeah, I'm not going that way. Oh, I traded with SK. Wow. Hey, we took the lead. Hey. Yeah, how did he get there? What?
He said, oh no, he cracked him after I killed him.
Oh, wait. Aw.
That's the worst.
It's the worst way to die.
I mean, like, beyond, you know, being buried alive, watching My Little Pony for hours.
Hey, My Little Pony. Don't judge My Little Pony.
I've been to Dragon Con. I went to some brony channels. They're nice people.
Yes, yes, they are.
I'm really glad I don't record YouTube videos. Because it would be like 2 games with ACP unstoppable, and then like all the rest of them basically making really bad choices.
My videos are just me either winning or dying, and both at the same time.
You should be dead, just Poker. Okay, I'm just bad.
It's pretty safe to blame Bucky right here.
But he had that wonderful bubble. That was a great.
Which I didn't see, so it doesn't count. Yeah. Don't have video evidence, doesn't exist. Yeah. Sorry, Bert. Oh, I just got one hit by a jet sculpture. Or an E-leader, you know.
Oh, we're all.
They're basically the same thing.
I think I'm just gonna follow Bucky. Come on, Bucky.
Yeah, do they just have a 96, a jet sculpture, and 2 E-leaders? Like, I don't care. Alright, well. Alright, so you said that was your last one?
No. I think I can play one more game. Yeah, I can play one more game.
Alright, one more game's what I was gonna do anyway.
Let's just play until we win.
Until we win, wow.
Yeah.
Alright,
We were
well,
winning
this-
before this.
I blame Bucky. Even though he did the same as me, or better, worse than me, by 1 death.
Dun dun dun.
Yeah, we're at 24 minutes, so we'll do one more game.
Do we have Bucky's information on Twitter?
Probably not. I haven't saw him on Twitter, so I don't know.
Hey, so how's the app? Should I get it?
It's alright. Yeah, it's more, people trying to help each other. And desperate squads trying to live. So.
I don't know, I just feel like the Splatoon community just needs to be nicer.
Yeah, it's not that good. Why was I just looking at a Splatling? Okay, here.
Yeah, do not play Splatted.
Yeah, I don't know why I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. Just.
Whoa. Valentine's. Or
I like how
wave.
we've gotten walleye once.
When I was doing solo, I didn't even get mahi.
It's orange and
Oh,
mwah.
it's salt spray, sorry. No wonder I didn't get mahi. I was really confused.
Alright, can orange and other be on other team?
Wait, but you got top of our squad.
Screw him. He's an air spray.
And Seeker's pretty good on this map.
Yeah, well.
Okay, they don't have a sniper. They have lost.
Oh yeah, that is weird. Hey, why are you squid bagging?
Don't you dare. Don't you
No,
dare.
this isn't
Please,
a lie.
okay.
No, it's not a lie. This is a real battle.
True dairy queen.
Oh, right, Tentatek got me because I burned dirt. You probably saw that. Oh, I see now.
Because range.
Because range.
It's one of those Tentacks that all they do is splatter down.
Oh no! Those are the worst type of Tentatek. I got their jet, but the Tentatek got me. I had a hair. He's behind you. Or someone. Oh, our team is bad.
I killed somebody with whale.
Nice.
Seeker. Don't you dare, aerospray.
You gotta spray it like an air spray.
I actually killed someone. I have no idea how that works, but it works.
What do you mean?
No, I was just running away and trying to think my own path.
Oh.
So how did that one kill?
I have no idea, don't ask me. It just sort of happened and I'm okay with it. Oh my god, teammate plays!
Hello, Custom Zep. Goodbye, Custom Zep. Oh, hello.
Oh, I missed a shot that I shouldn't have missed. He's on my X. Or no, he's going back on right. Left.
I'm just gonna whale. How did you guys get the zone through my whale? There's two people.
Oh my god, EC, I wonder why.
Kraken. I got destroyed by.
I got someone, I guess. Okay, that was beautiful.
You got the Tentatek, but there's a Kraken in the zone, and they are aerosprays behind.
Viewers, did you see that? That was cool. We kind of not saw that. So it was sort of a video.
Hello.
No, go away, burst bomb in, you frick. You're not allowed to burst bomb in. Stop swimming in my ink too. That's cheating.
I love how I.
And don't summon allies. That's also cheating. What the frick?
I got him.
Nice.
And hello, other person. There we go.
Hey, AC, you're better than me.
I have my moment of glory and ours is good.
Your moments of glory or hours are dirt. That is beautiful.
And I just.
Someone's done right, by the way.
waited there long.
Oh, jeez. Alright, why am I derping? I can't hit close range snipes on that Tentatek, but every other Tentatek is good.
Down their left side. Oh, you're dead.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Hello, Enrico. Please don't kill me.
Freaking every other Tentatek I can like close range snipe. Not that one. That one's just too much.
Goodbye. No, I wanted to kill you.
Yo, this nerd is just staying away from me, and I don't like it. Come close to me, baby. There you go.
We won.
Hey,
Victory
see, we're good at this game. Victory screech.
Sometimes.
Alright, well, I want to see a KDs.
I would have like 6 to 4, I think.
I died like 3 times, maybe? Yeah, 5.
Close enough.
Yeah, it's good enough.
Alright, well, I'm going to skedaddle.
Wait, no, do a nitro first. I say no.
This has been Splatoon time with Purple and AC. Yeah.
Sure, alright, goodbye, everyone.
Good luck.